So I might have a little video for you today. I've set the camera up. I've no idea what even this is. It's a friend of mine wanted me to build him a Eurorack module. It's from Thonky Donk. I don't even know what module it is yet. Shakmat Harlequin's context. Nice packaging, that's for sure. Instructions on how to use it. Factory reset and firmware. It's got a big confuser in there. A couple of stickers. Nice front panel. Actually got grey and orange and black. Oh, all the hard stuff's put on for you. It's got all the surface mount stuff pre-populated. Oh. Okay, that looks pretty straightforward. There's a couple of different LEDs in there.
I'm preparing a kill switch, yeah. Before my day, I'm preparing a kill switch. Before my day, I'm preparing a kill switch. Before my day, I'm preparing a kill switch, yeah. Before my day, where did we ended up? Where did we all go? Why are we drowning now? Why are we here and how? It's the first round.
Okay, so we're going to test it now. I've got my little tip-top power supply. Let's turn it on. Okay, we're in calibration mode. So we connect the output A into the CV in. Make sure all the knobs are turned down. Now we calibrate B. Calibrate C. Calibrate D. Okay, now this is reading the output. If I unplug that, we can just check that all the outputs are working. And we can even check that on the scope. There we go. So it's a very slow LFO coming out of these. Great, that's all those outputs working. So now we have to patch one of the outputs into the gate in. Okay, and that blinks. So now we have to press the buttons. So, 2. Yep. So all the ambers work. All the whites. And the green lights shows the intensity. Okay, and to exit the test mode, all these need to be fully to the right. Okay, and then that light's gone out. Now hold the first scene button until display shows the letter F. So I presume this is the scene. Okay. Press the store button to start the factory reset routine. So now it's doing a factory reset. To clear all the non-volatile memory slot by slot, and then the display will show the slot currently being cleared, 1 to G. Once factory reset is done, the module will start normally. So there we go. That's all done its setup routine. Now let's see what happens if I turn it off and turn it back on again. Great, we're not in calibration mode. Still don't know what it does.